Hi everybody, so today we've just got a quick Temu video I thought I'd just run through for you. So we'll get stuck straight into it. First of all, we have got this here, which is a little shrink wrap bag. So they're aimed at remote controls. We'll have a look on the screen here. So remote control screen wrap for 100 for $2.13. What a bargain. Anything that you might be selling, remote controls, pens, batteries, screwdrivers, who knows. Anything that you want to use it for. Up there, shrink it down. I haven't got a hairdryer here, but I do have my hot air gun. A little bit of overkill for it. Get the idea anyway. See if we can try a remote control. I suppose these would be alright to take to like motels and stuff. As you know, the remote controls there in the motels are filthy. So I guess you could take one of these. They're a little bit small. Take one of these, heat it up, and then use the hairdryer that's supplied. That's not bad. Not too bad a job actually. Still use all the buttons. So that certainly would be an idea. Anyway, I saw them, they were cheap. I thought, why not? We'll give them a go. And a little bit bigger. I've got some fairly big ones of them, but just a little bit bigger I think could be quite handy. So that's that. Pretty simple one to start with. Second up, we've got these. These are used for cleaning horse hooves. We'll go to the screen. There we go. So that's that one. $4.48. That's this one here. This style I've actually used one of these for years in my work ute. You get muddy boots, gets in, cleans between all the grooves in your boot to clean the mud off. Do an awesome job. So I ordered a couple of these. These were cheaper. They were $2.97 for that one. They were a bargain, and I saw these others. I didn't think they looked like very good quality, but now that I've got it, that's tough. That's solid plastic. The hook on it is very tough, and this brush is a nice stiff bristles. As you can see, I've been using it non-stop since I got it. When I do repairs on things, tidy up the wife's vacuum, blow all the dust out of it, this does a great job for just getting in there, moving the dust, If you've got any spots where the mud gets stuck, you can give it a clean and then hit it with the brush. So they're a great item. Yeah, cleaning your boots, brushing off your drills, your vacuums, your saws, anything like that. I think I've actually instantly ordered another 3 of these in different colours and different styles to try out, and I've been using this one at work for cleaning up stuff that gets dirty and muddy and dusty. So they've been a great buy, and both really good quality. This is good quality heavy steel. You've got the rubber over the top, and good handy one. This one's great for cleaning your boots. This one's great for cleaning just about everything else. So well worth a look. Alright, moving along, try and keep them moving. I said I'd be quick. So next item is, we'll go to the screen capture. These here, which are a bottle holder for your plastic water bottles. What are they? $1.90 each, multiple colours. So I've got a few different colours there, and you can see here, they're just a rubber ring with a catch. They're a little bit cheap feeling. This is pretty good, and look like they'll do the job. So if you want to hook them onto your backpack, hang them off of a shelf somewhere while you're working, out of the way, should do a good job. So your bottle, I just whack it straight on like that. It's all twisted up. I'm sure that's not the way that you're supposed to do it, but it works. It's nice and strong. You've really got to want to take it off. I expect the way they're supposed to be is, we'll do the cheats way. Just take that ring off. Slide it down there, and then you've got it held on. Once you put your lid on, nice and tight. So that, I expect, is probably the way it's supposed to be done. But for quick and easy, not having to take that cover off, the way I did it, and just slide it all the way down to that ring, that locks on tight. So another cool little item, cheap little item. I guess you can see a little bit of a theme with how we tend to buy stuff. If it's cheap and it's cool, we grab it, see what it's like. So yeah, those I'll probably give away as little gifts, Christmas presents, something like that. Same with these hoof cleaners. I've been buying those with each of the orders, so come Christmas time we'll probably give a few of those away as just little gifts for people. Yeah, so looks good. Alright, on to the next. So next up, we've got these. So they're label cartridges. Crack one open. These are for Brother PT printers, and yeah, they've got your plastic style tape on there, and this one's white with the red writing. This goes into a lot of different printers, your cheap ones, the expensive ones. I got this for my Brother industrial style printer, which is that one there. So that one's a Brother E550 WVP. This runs at around about 250 Aussie dollars, and it's cool. I've been using it non-stop since I got it. That's why I went and I bought probably about 20 cartridges. They're just so cheap. These here, we'll have a look at the listing. These here, the 9mm ones we've got here, $3.74. It's actually the 12mm that I've grabbed out, and they were about $1 extra, so they were below $5 for a roll. They're 1.5 meters long. I've got 9mm, 12mm, 18mm in different colours. Got pink with white writing, black writing on white. I've got white writing on black, red on white, and you can actually get some shrink wrap as well. I've had a little bit of a go with that. It's not too bad, but I've still got to have a bit more of a play with that yet. This one here, nice and quick and easy. You can do your own, do up your own logo and install it onto the printer. This has got 12mm in at the moment, and we're going to print. Okay, print. Prints it straight out, and there we go. We've got a little sticker like that. One bad thing is, see, it adds a little tag to the end, because it has to be able to hold onto it to pull it through and print. You can get around it a little bit. I haven't found a way with this logo to be able to do multiples yet, but just doing normal labels for stuff, you can do it, and then you can add on another one and another one. You can do a big line where it only has this tag once, and then it half cuts between each one and leaves it long, so that you don't have to do that tag again. So bit of a downfall. You waste a lot by doing single labels, but when you're getting it that cheap, it's not as bad. The genuine Brother, I think they're up around $15, $19 for those, and that starts getting a bit expensive. But yeah, I've been using this to label anything and everything, as I always do, and it's been great. Even the spices, when the wife, she's got her spices in a drawer, and when you look from the top, you can't actually see what the spices are. So I did the pink with white writing, and I did small labels that just go onto the top, so she can look into the drawer and she can see what she's got. So being able to do something for the wife, this has paid for itself already, hasn't it? So very good. Alright, we'll head on to the next and final item. And the final item is this, a battery charger for AA and AAA batteries. We'll have a quick look at the listing. $15.20, absolute bargain for a battery charger. It from what I've seen so far, it does a great job. I've got these little AAAs. I think I got those from Amazon, and got these other ones. I'm pretty sure these ones are a Temu, battery, and so far they've been performing really well. They're a good price. I'll do a listing of those in another video, and see how they, once I see how they go. So this charger comes USB-C charge adapter, comes with the cable, and the part I like about this one is it actually has a, if I can get it out of the shine, there we go. So each battery has its own gauge. It doesn't give you numbers, but it just shows you that it's charging, and when it stops it's finished charging. A lot of these you've got to do multiples of 2 or 4 before it will actually charge. This one, you drop in one and it'll start to charge straight away, so that's great. And then you can just load them in as you like, and each one will separately show that it's charging. Yeah, and so you can see what's going on as they finish. That one's full by the looks, and so as you can see it's no longer charging, so you can just pull that one out. If you're not on camera it's a lot easier, and put it away. So that's great. It just stops, lets you know that they're charged. It stops putting the power in and avoids wrecking the battery. So far this is looking really good, and it's going to be handy because I've got a lot of rechargeable batteries, even quite a few of the Panasonic Enerloops, which have been great, because every remote, every computer mouse, which we've got a lot of, multimeters, test equipment, they're all running batteries, so I like to put the rechargeables in so that we're not going through batteries all the time, and this will hopefully make charging it a whole lot easier. So that's the last item of the day, and if you made it this far, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, let me know. If you don't like this type of video, let me know. I'm just starting, and so I don't know what people like, and next video will be another repair, just a simple one to run through with, and we'll go from there. So hope to see you again soon. Thanks for coming, and see you again. Bye.